So one of the things that they have showed us on the trip here to England that they do to support their plants is they take a branch that has fallen from their yard and they slowly bend the canes so that it makes a support. So you make a branch, all of the corners are going to have a branch, and then you just take the pieces and you wrap them around each other, and it forms a natural support around any plant. You could do this on anything that's floppy. Now, if we look down here, sweet peas for us will grow as an annual, and I want you to look at this as I come in closer, and you're going to see that the support that they're using for the sweet pea is just dead branches, rather large. They're 7 foot or so. But if you look here, it's a dead branch, but it's supporting all of the sweet peas. And they're hiding that branch.
Oh, it's a garden tour of summer.
So let's go ahead and put this into practice. If you can see, I've got a branch here that has kind of been down and heavy since the last storm. So I'm going to take these branches and just use them to give it a little bit of support. So I've given this support all the way around. I used 3 different branches, and if you get close, you can certainly see it. And if you're looking for it, you can see it. But the hope is that the plant will grow through it and have the support that it needs. And while you're training these branches, when it's first a fresh twig that has been cut from a tree, it's going to be kind of limber. And so you can take them and tie it to the other supports that are here just to help train it and get it into place. But that will last you for the entire season, and it's free. So I hope that you'll find things in your yard and remember this video and give your plants a little bit of support. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the next one.